presentation of the countries, explanation of all of the details related to the admission processes, living cost, all of the expenses, and other stuffs. Then through the panel section where the agents got a direct contact with the educators, they could ask them questions and they received a very details, full of details answers. So, and then coming to the B2 meetings, I mean, like they gather best agents. I believe best of the best agents across the Indonesia. And we as educators, we got opportunity to talk with all of them. That was a chance for us to have a contact, to establish some partnerships. And I believe that without NET24, we, as my university, because I speak only for my university, will not have such chance. So thank you so much, NET24. You are the best.
This is a great event, and I hope that NET24 will be able to do it again next year in Indonesia. Because this will give opportunity for us to know about institution in Europe, especially because for our market, European is a new market for us.
Working with NET24 because the organization is at a human size. Aspect of relationship with the staff is very good. They are always smiling, but that's not a commercial smile. They really want to help and to make sure that everybody is doing good meeting and having the right contact. So that's very, very important for me.